Hello students, welcome to RG Studio. My name is Rahul. I am a teacher. In this video, I will give you information regarding National Institute of Mental Health and Neurosciences. National Institute of Mental Health and Neurosciences, which is a reputed medical institute of India, and this is an institute of national importance. National Institute of Mental Health and Neurosciences, NIMHANS, Bangalore, which is an institute of national importance, Bangalore, India. In this video, information regarding NIMHANS, Bangalore, Master of Public Health, MPH admissions 2025 will be discussed. And I want to give you information that students who are preparing for various university and institutes, Master of Public Health, MPH, Master of Hospital Administration, MHA entrance exams like NIMHANS Bangalore, Common University Entrance Test, CUT PG, AIIMS Raipur, AIIMS Rishikesh, AIIMS Jodhpur, Pune University, Lucknow University, Christian Medical College Vellore, Rajasthan University of Health Sciences Jaipur, and for all other university and institutes which conducts public health, hospital administration and other competitive exams. And for this, if student wants online or offline coaching and want important questions PDF note, they can WhatsApp on 9411513974. So for online or offline coaching and important questions PDF notes, WhatsApp number is 9411513974. And for the preparation of competitive exams, there is a WhatsApp group which link you will get in description box. Kindly subscribe to the channel so that you can get the information for important videos and get the information for various admissions and jobs. Kindly like, share and comment this video. This is a prospectus for National Institute of Mental Health and Neurosciences, NIMHANS, Institute of National Importance, Bangalore, India. Prospectus 2025-26 postgraduate courses admission, July session. NIMHANS Hospital is NABH accredited. So this is the index and page number for various courses information. Master of Public Health course information will be given in this video. General guidelines for admission to Master of Public Health course, page number 44. And I will also give you information regarding important dates for admissions. These are the important dates, scheduled dates. Date of advertisement of academic notification, 1st of March 2025. Start date and end date for submission of online application form, 1st of March 2025 to 31st March 2025. So 31st March 2025 is the last date for admission. Date of conduct of entrance test at NIMHANS Bangalore for all courses. Entrance exam will be 3rd and 4th May 2025. So these are the schedule for NIMHANS Bangalore MPH admissions 2025. Registration last date is 31st of March 2025, and entrance exam which will be held in NIMHANS Bangalore will be on 3rd and 4th May 2025. And date of announcement of result for all courses, result will be announced on 16th of May 2025. So now information regarding Master of Public Health course will be given, its eligibility criteria and other important information. So this is the general guidelines. General guidelines for admission to Master of Public Health course. Department in which master's course is offered, Department of Epidemiology. Name of the department is Department of Epidemiology. General eligibility, eligible qualifications, qualification as specified for the course concerned. Eligible qualification for applicants applying under sponsored category. So this is the qualification for applicants applying under sponsored category. Indian nationals applicants who are permanent employees is sponsored, deputed by the state, central government or public sector undertakings of state, central government or institutions. Universities can apply through sponsored deputation category. Other requirement: applicants should have pursued and awarded qualification from an institution, university recognized by Medical Council of India, Rehabilitation Council of India, Indian Nursing Council or other statutory bodies as relevant. Mode of selection: seats under institute fellowship, seats under sponsored category, entrance test and verification of original certificates on the day of admission, duration of course 2 years, qualifying marks in entrance test, unreserved OBC EWS 50%, SC ST PWBD 45%, age criteria as on day of course commencement 45 years. Emoluments: institute stipendiary, applicant selected under institute stipendiary category rupees 25,000 per month. No emoluments for candidates selected for seats against vacant seats of sponsored category. Sponsored category: applicants selected under sponsored category or who are drawing pay and allowances from their employers are not eligible for any emoluments from institute. Fees rupees 96,500 excluding hostel charges as applicable. For details refer to fees section of the prospectus. Leave: under institute stipendiary category 30 days of annual leave. Any other form of leave availed shall be without stipend. All leaves for candidates selected under external fellowship sponsored category shall be governed by leave rules of the external fellowship agency concerned. Master of Public Health, Department Epidemiology. Minimum requirement for admission. So this is the educational qualification for admission: MBBS or Bachelor of Dental Sciences or postgraduate degree in sociology, statistics, environmental sciences, physiotherapy, occupational therapy, health management, social work, economics, speech pathology and audiology, speech pathology, audiology, nursing. Seats offered: 5 seats under institute stipendiary category, 5 seats under sponsored category. If the seats under sponsored category are not filled, then seats will be filled by the eligible candidates from institute stipendiary category without fellowship. Kindly refer to guidelines for details. Program of study: the Master of Public Health MPH course was started from the academic year 2013-14. The goal was to bridge the gap in human resources and to strengthen public health capability of health and health related sectors. The MPH course aims to develop quality public health specialists who will be able to efficiently and effectively manage the constantly evolving health situation and systems of the country. The course, based on adult learning principles, would be skilled based and adopt a modular learner centered methodology. The course will have mental health and neurosciences as the thrust areas and will also focus on practice of public health principles and tools. For more details, refer department information on NIMHANS website or contact 08026995244. So this is the information for NIMHANS Bangalore Master of Public Health course. So in this video, information regarding National Institute of Mental Health and Neurosciences, NIMHANS, which is the Institute of National Importance, Bengaluru, India. Information regarding Master of Public Health admission 2025, important dates and eligibility criteria and other important information has been given. And I want to give you information that students who are preparing for various university and institutes, Master of Public Health MPH, Master of Hospital Administration MHA, entrance exams like NIMHANS, JIPMER, IIPH, Pune University, Lucknow University, AIMS, ICMR, CMC, RUHS, and 4 other university and institutes which conducts public health, hospital administration, and other competitive exams. And for this, if student want online or offline coaching and want important questions PDF note, they can WhatsApp on 9411513974. Thanks for watching this video.